Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer pictures from your iPhone to your Mac the easy way. First, you're going to connect your iPhone to your Mac using either a Lightning to USB-C cable or a USB-C to USB-C cable. Once it's connected, unlock your iPhone, click allow on the Mac, and then on the iPhone, make sure you tap trust, then put in your passcode. Once that's done, we can put the phone to the side. But first, let me show you that there is indeed images on this phone, so we're gonna transfer all these from the iPhone to the Mac. We can now put the phone to the side. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna come down here, you're gonna go to the Launchpad. Once you're in Launchpad, you're gonna go to Image Capture. Once Image Capture is open, you're gonna see your iPhone on the side here. And here you'll see we have all the images from the phone displayed here on the Mac. It gives you all the information, the file type, the resolution, file size. So now where it says import to, you can select any folder on your Mac, or you can connect an external drive and have them imported to the external drive. In this case, I'm gonna have them imported to the desktop. As you see, the images are right here. Now all we need to do is click download all, and it will begin the import process. Once the import is done, we'll be back. As you can see, these ones have finished importing, and they have begun populating on the desktop. As you can see, we have all 134 images right here on our desktop. That's the fastest and easiest way to import photos from your iPhone to your Mac.